Later, I give you much more details about this, but at least remember those elements. So we start with the pendulum first, then we have a leg passing second, then we have the actual step. And again, process repeat. Pendulum, which always diagonally. From back to diagonally front. Pendulum, leg passing, and then we actually stepping. And when we stepping, that's where we put heel down and we transferring weight. Pendulum, leg passing, step. Pendulum, leg passing, step. Now, let's do exactly the same to the other side. So, because everything starts with the pendulum, we want to start on the high position. We would never start here. Start higher. Go pendulum, leg passing till the 90-degree because we're moving diagonally forward. Step. Pendulum, leg passing, actual step. Pendulum, leg passing, step. Let's take a look at for example, on the basic walk, and go look through the steps through this three-step process. So we start with the pendulum, then we have a leg passing till here, then we have actual step. So when we arrive, we want to be pretty high, and even left hip a little bit higher. Why? Because the next step, next element is a pendulum again. So this, where we change pendulum, then we have a leg passing. Our leg already in front, so it's going to pass a little bit slide forward. Now step when we put heel down, with a little bit transferring, and again, pendulum, leg passing, step, and pendulum, leg passing, step, pendulum, leg passing. In this case, there is a slight knee action, half pass. But again, that doesn't cancel our formula that we have a pendulum first, then there is a leg passing, and then we have a step backward. Pendulum, leg passing, step.